gingerbread shelf sitters. Now I picked up a bag of these blocks at the thrift store. We are going to peel off the numbers. I am going to use these gingerbread doll printables that are available in Twigs and Fluff, my store on the blog, and I will link these down below. Now I didn't want the edges to be perfectly straight, but I want them to be torn and straight. So what we're going to do is not use the blade in the paper trimmer. And we're going to put this in our paper trimmer, just like that. And I'm going to pull and tear the paper against the guard towards me, like that. And that gives us this torn edge, but a straight edge. I'm going to go around and I'm going to do that to all of these. We're going to ink our gingerbread doll printables. We have torn the edges with our paper trimmer, and we're just going to rub some ink on the edges of these and give them a little bit of a distressed look. Wrap that around once and then tie a knot